Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everybody. Today we're going to learn the last refusal letter in Arabic. You know 5. And today we're going to learn number 6. Let's get started. The sound of the in English, it is this, right? The TH in the word this, the. To get this sound in Arabic, the, we have this letter. The. So I can substitute the th by the, and now we have this. It's the same. There is no any difference. Now let's add the diacritical mark on the top, fatha. We have now the sound the. Don't forget, this diacritical mark gives us the sound of a in English. The. Let's write the in English from the right to the left. The. In Arabic, it is way easier, okay? The. As you see, the is a refusal letter. Okay, let's check another sound. K. This is the sound of k in English, right? Letter K. In Arabic, we have this letter. It gives us the same sound. K. Let's see a word in English. King. I can substitute K by this letter in Arabic, and we will get the same sound. King. Let's add fatha on the top of the letter. Now we have K. Train with me from the right to the left in English. K. Now I need your high attention when I write k in Arabic, okay? Let's see k in the beginning of the word. K. Do you remember the shape of k is like this when it is out of the word, right? So the k in the beginning of the word is totally different from ka when it is out of the word. It doesn't have the hamza, right? We get this shape and we add it here. And we will remove the hamza and we will add this line here as if we have a big hamza. It is not exactly like hamza. But for you to remember always, again, take this shape and then get this line of the hamza here in the top and add it here. So now you have ka. Okay? Let's see ka in the middle of the word. How is it? We will get a line like this. And then we will add like this shape here, okay, and then we will add this line on the top. K in the end of the word is easy. It is the same shape, just we will get one line here like this, and then we get this shape. K. Pause the video, check everything, write down everything, and come back. I'm waiting for you. So now we have the and ka. Let's make two words out of them. The first word, let's connect the to ka. Okay, let's see. The ka. The. Let's invert ka. So we will have ka in the beginning of the word. Ka. the كذا كذا ذكى كذا ذكى كذا. Now we have another shape of the, right? The when the previous letter is a regular letter. Okay? Pause the video, write down everything, and I'm waiting for you. So based on what we have learned today, we know that we have two shapes of the, right? The first one is this one, the, and the second one is this one, the. Let's check ka. We have many shapes of ka. The first ka is this, right? When ka in the beginning of the word. The second ka is this, when ka in the middle of the word, when the previous letter is a regular letter. And then we have ka in the end of the word, when the previous letter is a regular letter. We have ka in the end of the word, when the previous letter is a refusal letter. Let's write down the 5 words, the ones that we combine each class. The first word, it will be the ka, the ka. Pause the video, try to write it, and then come back to check with me. The ka. Let's see. The ka, the ka. The ka. The second word is ka, the ka. Let's check. Ka, the كذا. The following one is كذا. Let's see. ك ذا كذا. The following one is كذا. Let's check. ك ذا كذا. The following one is the ذكك. Let's check. The ذكك. Let's read again one more time. ذاك ذذك كذاك كذك كذا ككذا كذذا كذذا ذكك ذكك. So we have the in the beginning of the word is the only option, okay? The in the middle of the word can be this one when the previous letter is a refusal letter, this one when the previous letter is a regular letter. The in the end of the word when the previous letter is a regular letter, when the previous letter is a refusal letter. So we have the in the beginning of the word, the in the middle of the word, this one or this one, the in the end of the word, this one or this one. Let's check ka. Ka in the beginning of the word. It is the only option here, as you see, here and here. It is the only option. Ka in the middle of the word. It can be this one when the previous letter is a regular letter, or this one when the previous letter is a refusal letter. Ka in the end of the word, it is this one when the previous letter is a refusal letter, or this one when the previous letter is a normal, regular letter. Okay? The bottom line is ka in the beginning of the word, ka in the middle of the word, it can be this or this. Ka in the end of the word, it can be this or this. Let's write a new word today that has a meaning in Arabic. Let's write first the letters separated. So we have here ka, the, ba. Let me introduce to you ba. It sounds like letter B in English. We're gonna talk about it later. Ka, the, ba. Let's make a word out of this letter. So ka in the beginning of the word is this one, right? And then the, كذا, and finally let's add ba. كذا ba. كذا ba. كذب. كذب. كذب is a verb in the past. Okay? It is the past of lie. To lie to someone. To not say the truth. كذب. كذب. What is the present? The present is yeah. And then we will write the same letters here. يكذب. يكذب. يكذب is the present form of كذب. Present and past. I wish you liked the class. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bye bye.